Mbia mono sana umancho mulie wita seni kia Ndizi TV na gosemere kwani unakwabiri kugutwara ubuligereria obya nandene biro bindengo kwaligania asemesa ya mangana maya elindengo manye nara yabereka gokorekana korwa chingongo chionsi inyechense asitense mochiche mitandao asense ya Facebook na bagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital na baga sense media YouTube na bagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News asense ya website na bagotonyara gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke nabigo mwancho muligereria tiga kunkwariga bene elinde tosange asenchira yobwingi chinga kitoroche umubere o Sharon Chepkosgeni ngo bakogwikirana asense ya Kenya oyo nyagosira Sharon obeteka gosiria obuguma bwaye asenseria ya Australia nabigo magega yogochika kurwasumo waziri buburindi bweme kidure kindiki abamenye ba Samburu nigo bayigwerero gochikoko asababaire bakonganya elinde konganya gucyase Chinsemo nabigo mukonyi bo murayibwenseri gatigashagwa nigo bono ayene kiribuna nigo eserikali eroberete bwikirano ase okoleta ebituma kura Chinsa Chesko asane kibuna ligo liri obosini go lirachikogwa moncho muri karansa oike elinde ngomanye asenchira iyo bwenye leterene Fridah Kerubo na Chinsemo chebioro keleni otokubatenere Joshu Auta tobasakanyegera kwira nanda segekege Kerubosio elinde ngomanye amange Ingo chaka kegima umwancho muligereria ni gongo chakira county ya Kisii asengo kumanyuna magigayero likumulekwa litkoligoro yabetege kuimokia amaliogo nigo yabetege kubiko byara nabago ikigwa asigeta seni kyabanyanyimbo ya keroka yabetege kolingolwa bono nigo umwaziri wobachenule abwali asokiribene nabago kwene kimuna eroli yo yabuguliti amaliogo talingana amaliogo ye serikali kone nigo abaga kwene kimuna serikali ya county ya Kisii nigo erimaiso ase okurwania obukurumi bwa maliogo.
Well, our officers, while on normal traffic check, intercepted this vehicle, and after inquiring from the driver, he could not give full account of what he was carrying because he never had any invoice, which drew suspicion, and it was brought at our station, whereby we consulted the Kenya Pharmacy and Poisons Board and the Ministry of Health from Kisii County.
Nalina batebitanga ningana mutika karobisi ontoma kuchisiko nachi korabuna maliogare nando ni pia vie governor ito simbarati gare very featured eskoranga maliogo aituta basi kusira nonye na makere ndo kwa de bantu baito turigete tia maiso kabisa koranga maliogo ngutumika buna atakire bono muna tuate buna basgal tonyolenga maliogo yake na talenga ya serikali asa igo mutu aro bole munga maliogo ya serikali taiye ibiru na maliogo manyana akolete arkolete sisto yo iganga taracha ase oposti Kenya power
buno muchifu ofisa tebire twarorire maliogo yatarenga aserikali nande gento kyagera kanene yagera twarento bokagera okonge goikatogete bekyagere gapunjaro rekana inkeri bune karo ya baligererwa mbabwatene invoice babwate delivery yoka lakini rende nande ntoliko bisago tateba nga nonya babwata maliogo aya mbabugorera nite nawani ndagira re yetalibuya
Magega yo mwaziri wabasombi Kipchumba Murkomen komochora Dr. William Ruto kwa bomoteneneli OKPA litkolia lero nigo abaga kwereliwa obugambi Ruto nigo abeireka gukora emirimo buna umumanager ase airport ya Kisumu kwende litkolia lero nigo abakaguchaka emirimo emeya ase obukoleri bw'imyaka 3 eribosio
sema ni kama Mungu alitupatia uchama. Sababu number 1 yeye ni mwanasiasa. Na kile imekuwa ikiumiza hii port mambo ya siasa. Sasa mimi naomba chama wewe nisaidie nishikia wale wa siasa. Mimi niachia wafanyaji kazi. Mimi hao wafanyaji kazi mimi tadili nao. Nataka kupatia uhakikisho kuwa performance lazima iende juu. Na jameni, kuanzia leo we want to plan how we start breaking records. Unajua lazima pia naye tuonyeshe wakubwa wetu wale wako Nairobi kuwa sisi tunajua kazi na tunaweza na tuna uwezo. Ya mwisho, ni mimi naomba nyinyi wote. Unajua kuna mambo mengi yanafanyika. Mambo ya absenteeism, jamani. Absenteeism. Tafadhali. Watch. Imeisha. Sababu sasa mimi leo siku yangu ya kwanza.
Omukonyi b'omuraibense Rigathi Gachagua bono nigo aenekiribuna nige serikali erobirete boikiranu ase okoleta ebituma kurwa Chinsa chesiko gukwana litko legoro imeyomochi okaren chingaki aligosanga nabaliki bamangana nigo abetega koenekibuna nigo ligo lirio bosirira chikogwa ase aboleti abalimi gosokia ebituma byabo biri bagachete.
The CS for Agriculture and the PS, the Honorable Mithika Linturi, were in Zambia, which produces maize, and there is no maize available. The only maize that is available in South Africa, and we are in competition with Angola and Rwanda for the same maize. The maize in Brazil, bringing it here because of the distance, the cost is too high. We decided as a government that the government is not going to import any maize directly because we don't want corruption. And the government doesn't want to get involved in importation directly because we don't want scandals. When I was in Eldoret, there are 2 ships in the high seas with maize. And I told the people of Eldoret and Kitale, the farmers there have been holding maize and expecting higher prices. And the prices are already very good at 6,000 per 90 kg bag. And I did tell the farmers, when these 2 ships arrive in the country and the maize is offloaded into the market, the prices will come down. Please release your maize. If the farmers in our breadbasket counties, the 16 of them, agree to release the maize that they have, if they can be patriotic Kenyans to understand that people of Kenya need food, and the maize they are holding is making the prices go up, if they can agree as early as tomorrow to release the maize that they are holding into the market, the prices of unga will come down even to 140.
Magega yo mwaziri boberendi waime Kithure Kindiki kurugo chika bunabali bebisete ase amanani ime county ya Samburu babe bakonganya bono nigo abamenyi kurwa sensemo ya Longewan baigwereire ogo chiko ko Kithure nigarwete ogo chika ase arwete Chinsa emerongo ebere nainye babe bakonganya ase anegatibuna nigo abasaga ni babiri bakwebisa ase Chinsa mechu.
Na hata unaona ile karili venye Red Cross walikuwa wanatupea. Sasa mtu hata inabidi utoroke unafungia hapa ndio usiwawe. Hatujui kama tutauliwa baadaye. Tumetoroka jamani.
Mimi nimekuwa nikisema ya kwamba nataka amani, hata nikitaka kwenda kufanya kazi, mimi sina amani ndani ya moyo wangu. Kwa sababu sijui nini itafanyika ndani ya watu yangu. Na sasa kwa leo nina regret hata nikisimama hapa, wale watu niko naye hakuna mtu wako hapa. Watu wameenda wote wamehama na tuko tunataka watu wahame, na ikifika mahali kama hapa sasa ni mahali inafikia ni crisis ambaye sijui nini itakuja kusaidia.
So in average we are losing 6 people per week. That's my statistics. We are losing 6 people per week, and our major work has become to bury and carry the corpse. So mine is only to urge the government that is doing operation, kindly take that operation seriously. We are fed up with losing lives, innocent lives. So in brief, I will just urge the government to get these things out of.
Omubere o Sharon Chepkosgei kigen nigo oikiranali tkolyerero ase ense ya Kenya. Nyagosira Sharon niga chite kwenyorera amasomo ase University ya Catholic ime ya Australia kulende akabaka gosiria obugima bwaye chingaki achite waka ontimbu ase orocherwa George Sydney.
last year tulipopata report ya kwamba anataka kwenda Australia, hakika tulingishikana mkono kama mandugu na madada tuwezeshe Sharon aende Australia. Nikikumbuka last year baba yake alikuwa amechenga nyumba yake akafikiria mali, so hii safari ya ghafla ikakuja ikabidi asimamishe.
Siku meet Sharon tukiwa Australia because alikuja just 3 months. So hiyo time yenye tulikuwa tukutana naye Judy akiniambia tutafutie kazi, ndio wakati nilikuwa ninakuja. I just came a week and that Tuesday nikaambiwa hiyo maneno imefanyika, but I really knew her and I want to really say it was so sudden. Hiyo news really hit the whole of Sydney, the whole of Australia, all the states, and we just pray that God gives us all courage, because literally we are all scared at the moment, because you're like, if this is how it will be happening, it's not so good, not just to the family but to everybody who is planning to go to Australia.
Chingaki ense egendete kwiroberia ase ogwikirani ritukolya bochenu oburendi bwebitoetana ine naboigo amache nigo ekyombe gya USAID kemukiri getambukiro naboigo kwaligania egeikaro emeyomochi o Nairobi ase okomanya emechando abantu bagwetera naboigo nakibara chikwetanga ase amatukabusyo okwana nigo bakoerera gusinigo babulia abantu gwesokia ase obonge eliokorwa emechande yo ase kwiroberia amatuko abusyo.
Plan. It addresses the core policy and strategic objectives of Kenyan WASH of the following: sustainable water resource management, provision of water and sanitation services, and strengthening governance in the sector, and finally sustainable sector financing. As you implement the various initiatives, the ministry requests particular support in the following areas. 1. Support the water sector PPP agenda to enable the sector to harness the technical and financial resources for development and management from the private sector. I hope that WashFin 2 project will support the initiatives at the policy, regulatory and transactional levels. We look forward to this space to enabling closing of the financing gap. And I think the rest, I will share a copy of my document with me in the interest of time, and conclude to say that the conversation around innovations, new technology uptakes, and emerging management approaches based on global advancement is most welcome. We look forward for these interventions from yourselves.
Mwancho murigereria korwa sorobotero ni onaikire omoelio wa mangana maya asebire biga kolende ngo sabato basa kanyegera chikoraga Chinsa 10 ayona mangi no nyara sinchira yowenye asinse mochiche mitandao asinse ya Facebook na bagotonyara gwetira Ndizi TV News Digital na baga asinse ya YouTube na bagotonyara gwetira Ndizi TV News asinse ya website na bagotonyara gwetira www.ndizitv.or.ke mage kamera soko ne na ebichana boigo eliogiria gwekera sole asenchira ya bene nere nyanchama Abigail tobe tukubata nere Joshu Auta astinse mochi biorkelia na interior ne Fridah Kerubo kukoganilia obuligirilia obuya.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii.
Je, wewe ni mkulima na ungependa kuongeza mazao na kuwa na mifugo iliyo bora? Sasa kuna njia bora zaidi na za kisasa za kukuwezesha kufikia haya yote. Enokem Agrovet.
Tuko na program ambayo inaitwa Hard Health. Programu hii inatusaidia kuwatembelea wakulima wetu ili kuweza kujua zile ambazo wanafanya ni kulingana vile inastahili.
Tunazo dawa za kutibu mifugo, chanjo na zile za kuongeza madini mwilini na pia kuongeza vitamini na kuimarisha afya ya mifugo wako.
Kwa duka letu tuko na aina mingi ya dawa za minyoo. So wakati mkulima amekuja kwa duka letu akishatuambia vile state ya ng'ombe yake yuko, age yake, tunajua tunampea dawa gani na gani. Dawa ambazo zinaitwa metabolic stimulants na multivitamin.
Tunazo dawa za kuangamiza wadudu wasumbufu, mbegu mbalimbali zikiwemo za mboga.
Tuko na madawa ya kuua kwekwe, madawa ya kuua wadudu wasumbufu shamba.